Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Vera Costume. In this video, I'm come up to show you a beautiful and elegant Ari checked design using normal needle. For that, you should draw a sleeve border line at the bottom side and do the crosswise line on each side using 1-inch scale. This is the final outlook of our beautiful checked box. Now you should draw another line parallel to previous one on both sides so that you will get a small checked box inside of this parallel line. So this parallel line will help to get some more space for each checked box to get the amazing look. After complete this parallel line, then this is the final look. Now you will get a small checked box inside of this parallel line. Now we are going to decorate this particular space with the help of stones, ball chain, stone chain and etc. So this is the small selective checked box. Now apply the Fevicryl fabric glue on the marking area and fix ball chain on it. This is the sleeve border. So decorate the sleeve border with the help of ball chain and also decorate this beautiful each checked box with the help of ball chain. For this, here I have already select 2 mm size of ball chain. The outline should be in ball chain, then inside should be stone chain. For this beautiful ball chain work, you have to cut the required length of ball chain previously, then fix this ball chain on this glue area. Now apply this glue only at the top angle of this ball chain. Here we are going to decorate this particular part with the help of small size stone chain. After complete this amazing stone chain work, then again apply the glue inside of the stone chain, then fix same ball chain here. So these three steps are a basic step for complete our checked box. Now apply the Fevicryl fabric glue bottom of this checked box. Here I have already select green color tilakam shape stone. So fix Kundan stone. Now we are going to elevate this beautiful Kundan stone with the help of Zardozi. For this, I have already select golden color plain shade Zardozi. So take out the needle at the top of this tilakam shape stone and insert the needle followed by Zardozi. Then do the 3 stitches for each Zardozi. Always this Kundan stone looks great, but if you are looking to design this Kundan stone, you should use this beautiful Zardozi to make it most amazing one. At last we complete this beautiful Zardozi work. Now we are going to do thread work. For this I have already select golden color anchor thread. You can choose this anchor thread, depends upon your contrast blouse. Now we are going to do French knot inside of this checked box. For that, take out the needle at the bottom of this cloth and insert the needle after 3 twists so that you will get a beautiful French knot like this. Use this Fevicryl fabric glue where each checked box meets. Now we are going to decorate this glue area with the help of chakri. After fix this chakri, then do the side stitch like this. You have to do this process for long lasting. You should do this safety stitch for this chakri, ball chain and the stone chain. After complete this side stitch work, then apply the Fevicryl fabric glue inside of this chakri, then fix white color Jarkand stone on it. If you complete this beautiful French knot design for every checked box, then it will give amazing look. This design will give amazing and rich look for your sleeve and back neck also. If you want to do this amazing design for your chudidar neck design, then you can do it. So hope guys you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and support my effort. If you want more interesting video like this, then don't forget to subscribe this Trendy Vera costume channel and stay tuned for your upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching and keep watching. Bye bye.